YouTube, how you guys doing? I'm about to do an oil change on my 2015 Avalon Toyota. It's a hybrid XLE with a 4-cylinder 2.5 motor. Hang tight, I'll show you how. It's time to lift this bad boy up. Car's all lifted up, and typically I get plenty of requests on parts and tools that I use for my video, so I'm gonna go ahead and include that on the description. Make sure you check it out, and pretty much most of the things I get are from Amazon. So we got a 020 weight oil, full synthetic. We got Fram. Yeah, I was debating about Fram and other brands, but I'm gonna stick with it. Again, all other oil filter from Fram, I'm not liking it, but the ultra synthetic seems to be well built, so I'm gonna install that on my Avalon as well. And you got the gasket, right, for your drain plug, oil filter caps removal tool. If you have one of those cartridge style oil filter, you will need this tool. This one is a little pricier than the others, but I read so much review on this one and everybody seems to be happy with this. So I'll be using this. Again, I'll put a link on the description. Pop the hood. Remove the oil cap. It'll help with the draining of the oil. Right here. 14. Let it drain. New washer. Good to go. Clean it up. I'll leave it up to you how much you want to drain it, but for me it's been doing it for half an hour. Clean it up. Torque setting 27.5. Let's open this up one-handed. There's your drain. You'll need that. Take it off. Drain right here came with the oil filter along with the O-rings right there. That's good enough. It only goes one way. One right there and 3 notch on the back right here. So here we go. Make sure you got good leverage. Hot dog. No way, that was 20 pounds. Can now use a ratchet. I think you could do it by hand now. Let's prep the cap. 2 O-rings. One small one right there. One big one right here. Your oil filter came with the 2 O-rings you need. Let's prep it. I usually just press this with my finger right here. And it should come off. One right there. And on the side, I kind of grip it, both sides, and take it off. Alright. Make sure it's clean. Right, let's go ahead and put on our new O-rings. So here's your new one, small one. I usually just clean it up. That's clean. This one, again, oil it up. Here's the cap. Clean it up. Put the bigger O-ring to your cap. Lube it. Little W would do it for you. That's good. Make sure it's clean. Now put it on. Okay. That's on. Just feeling it. Perfect. This is 20 pounds of torque, and this is 10. We'll go ahead and torque it. Put your filter on first. Drop it in. Beautiful. Let's put it on. Do a quick visual check. Make sure everything is clean. Wipe it. Everything's good. Let's put this bad boy on. All right, 20 pounds of torque. That was my ratchet. Time to attach the torque wrench. All right, that's 20 pounds. Now let's do the cap. 10 pounds. Setting, that is. All right. That's 11 pounds. All right, let's pour some oil in it. Quick review of the torque settings. The cap, drain cap, is 10 pounds. I actually did 11. This is 20 pounds. And the drain plug with the new crush washer, it's actually 27.5. Factory is 30. Just want to make a note. I think 30 is too tight, so I made it 27.5, maybe pushing 28. Margin of error anyway is 3 pounds, plus or minus 3 pounds, so I figured 27.5 or 28 would do just fine for me. But if you want to do yours factory, 30 pounds, up to you. Let's fill it up. This thing takes 4.7 quarts, and of course this is 5 quarts, so. That's perfect. Beautiful. Let's put the cap back on. Okay, cap's back on. Oil change is practically done, but just to be sure, I typically, when I start the car, check underneath, make sure that you do not have a leak. That's clean. Another successful project. Just completed my Avalon 2015 hybrid oil change. Reset the maintenance light. First thing you need to do, press the power button twice without stepping on the brakes. Next, make sure it's on trip A. If it's on trip B, make sure you toggle through and trip A. Okay? Now, press this button, the trip button, and don't let go. Power off the car. Don't let go of the trip button. Press the power button twice again. There it is. Resetting maintenance data. Now you can let go. That is it. Another successful project. Changing the oil on my hybrid XLE Avalon 2015. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Here are the tools I used. Specialty cap remover, torque wrench, breaker bar, just a regular ratchet. That's pretty much it.